Today another video. I am making a simple unique firmware file guideline for you, and you can see my comments on the screen. Anyway, I am going to show you the how you can download the Xiaomi Redmi 17 5G POCO M8 Power firmware and accurate file for you. I am back with another video. You can see, and this is really amazing tool. I am making a tutorial guideline for you, and you can see my channel as well. And here I am sharing that short guidelines. So let's to the back to the point. I already opened the MFLH tool, and I would like to show you how I did this. Okay, here I am opening the MI Unlock tool and MI Unlock Flash tool. Both options I have, and I would like to open the MI Flash tool first, and you can see MI Flash tool here. You can see the file. I will open. It will help to make my device fully unlock. And if you already install the driver, it will not ask the driver for you. But I haven't installed at all, so I should click on install button and continue. You can see the tool. Look now here. I will download the file and file size up to 7.3 GB file and download from the on server, and it is asking where would you like to place the file. Yes, good. The file downloaded properly now, and you can see the guidelines, and it is really simple guideline for you. I also follow them. Okay, first line is to the file name should be the accurate. Okay, you can see the file format that is perfect. And another option is MFLS to be already downloaded and I already open. Okay, here is the press button, select the file. Once the file properly download, I will use this button to open the file, select the file, and you should make sure your phone are unlocked bootloader properly. You can watch any of them. My video enable debugging. Okay, unlock bootloader in the Realme file, Realme device. Okay, you can see I am unlocking this. Okay, no problem. If you are not worried, if you are, don't know how you can do, then how you can unlock bootloader in the MI account. So I would like to show you the images first that are really important for you. Okay, this is the MI unlock tool. I'm gonna open like here you can see the file, and here driver installations and MI USB driver and MI unlock. Okay, I will choose this option MI unlock tool button. Okay, it is asking disclaimer. I do agree. Yeah, here you can see the MI account, and I will sign up, and then I will click on the next button. I will make another video to how to set up the Realme my account. Okay, you can see also the okay. Let me open the accurate image. In the setting, you can see this. Okay, about phone. If you should go to the setting, then about phone and MI version on, and you should top up to 7 times on the MI version. It will ask the password first, and it will give you the option. You are now a developer. Okay, you can see this image, and after this image will be for you, and this device is locked. The phone is secured. Okay, here is the OEM unlock option. Allow the bootloader to be unlocked in the MI account. Okay, you should follow their steps and once I made the account here, it will show me this option not connected to a phone. Attention, I should connect my phone with the USB data cable or original they support properly. Okay, this will show me not connected. Once I okay once I connect my phone, it will show phone connected properly. Now what next? Okay, anyway, I will make another guideline that how you can make a Xiaomi account here. Okay, region, email, everything I will make. Okay, dosto. Okay, friend, and here is the MFlash tool. The file is downloading still because 7 GB file is very much file size for me. I think once the file properly downloaded, I will select this option and select the file. My PC, F, Xiaomi. Okay, select. Once the file properly selected and it will show the status here in the image and I will click on the refresh button and then I will click on the flash button. It will properly flash my device. That's all. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are facing any problem, any issues, you can directly comment on my video. I will try to make a tutorial guideline for you. Thank you so much for watching.